Welcome back, Injective family. I hope you're all well. It's been a few days since the last update. Looking back at this bullish divergence that we called back on the daily time frame, we saw the pump exactly where we were expecting, which was $8. So I hope you took action on this move. Again, this would have been a move of 20% without leverage. So yeah, hopefully you took action on this move. Don't worry, we'll be looking at analyzing the chart today. If we go back to where we were in the last video, we were down around here, starting to reclaim the moving averages. So we were looking for key levels of resistance up ahead, and we marked out between the 618 and the 786 fib over there at $7.75. This is expected to be resistance, as after having such a large dump down, you'd expect a dead cat bounce, which would be back up into this area, looking for a continuation lower eventually. But when we are looking for that continuation lower, you have to understand that there's invalidation points. So to go ahead and invalidate further downside, all we need to do after rejecting this area is hold above this newly formed bullish cross and push through this purple box. So now we can consider the reversal wave has been created. And so that is the reason why we came up to this $8.14 target up here. However, after failing to continue through that target, we've then, in that same candle on the 4-hour time frame, closed back underneath this high, which is not a bullish factor. We can, of course, still break out. We're going to analyze that today. So please go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and share. We can see that we closed after meeting this target out of the first sets of 1 fibs over here with a peak at $8.43. We then close back underneath the 1 fib level, and for us to maintain the stance that we will come up to $8.26 and $8.43, what Injective now needs to do is hold what was previous resistance, where we were expecting this dead cat bounce to be, now as support. So holding above $7.62, holding and $7.75 is what's giving us this bounce back up to the 1 fib level. But as we zoom in a little bit and we come closer, we can see that we keep getting these negative bearish candlestick patterns appearing at this 1 fib level as resistance. And again, guys, while we still maintain with candle closes below this $7.92 area, it's stopping us from getting to these targets. So what is happening right now is we're going to see this dump back down to the 20 moving average. And from there, as this is support, we are currently above the moving averages. We are in this uptrend. We can see that we climb back above the 20, and since confirming it there, we've gone in this upward trajectory and meeting our first target over here. But as we again fail to stay above the 1 fib level, and we've had those chances from bouncing from here, failing to break out again, had another chance bouncing from this area, failing again, it seems as if we're coming back down to revisit this area of support. And for us to keep these targets valid, this area must be maintained if we want another chance at breaking out. But please do understand, the more we've had so many opportunities to break out, guys, and it just keeps failing. So if now we do have a dead cat bounce like this and we break below this point, then we're invalidating those targets. So again, to keep them valid, we need to essentially stay above this wick, which is $7.60. And in doing so, it will give you the opportunity to break out. We're just waiting for closes above this point to continue to these targets. If we fail to get the close above here, which we've seen on 3 separate occasions now, it's highly likely that we're looking to invalidate this path to those targets. And what would then happen is a loss of this support, flipping into resistance, coming back down to the 200 EMA here at $7.50. You could then reclaim it all and go back on that original path to these targets, but we'll take it step by step. And for the moment right now, we are expecting this short-term dump to the 20. The next step was, can we now break through and get to these targets, or will we roll over and invalidate it all? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Please follow me to my Twitter with the links in the description of this video. I've got a discount at the moment of and the price of my course is down now to £100. It's going to include 6 hours of content teaching you from zero knowledge into a self-sufficient trader with over 30 plus videos. You're going to get free access to my Discord community for your first 3 months, and if you join in on those mentorship calls as a group, you can get up to 12 to 24 sessions where I teach you and guide you how to trade and basically show you the signals that you're looking for and the criteria needed to enter trades. If the criteria is not fulfilled, we're not trading. I have over 5 years of experience in the market. So if you've got any questions, just reach out to me. My handle is Louis_crypto. It's best, obviously it's the blue tick, but it's best to click the links in the description of this video so you're not getting scammed by any fake accounts. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, like, subscribe, comment and share. Hope to see more of you joining the community and teaching you guys. Cheers.